Everybody on YouTube keeps saying Claude AI can build businesses, find products, and basically make people money. So today I want to test out something a little different. See, I've sold AirPods on eBay for years, and I know what works, and I also know what doesn't. So I asked Claude AI a simple question. How would you make $10,000 selling AirPods on eBay? And what it told me, honestly, surprised me. So let's realistically look at what it said. It said the math first, at roughly $20 to $40 profit per unit, which is not actually true. That's not realistic, and I'll explain it in a second. You need to sell 250 to 500 pairs to hit 10K. Here's where it's a little different. Usually you could sell these AirPods for obviously higher, right? Before we even get into that, let's go to wesply.com. When you go and get these AirPods, so these are the Gen 4s, you can get a 1-piece, 4-piece, 6-piece, or a 12-pack, the individual pieces. So 12 of these boxes come for $157, you can get 12. 157 divided by 12, which would mean we're getting them for $13.08 per unit. That's going to be our cost of good, which is important. So our COG is going to be $13.08. We need to let Claude know that, right? So our COG, which is cost of goods, is $13.08. Let's see what it says now. The reason it's important is because we want to try and go and give as many accurate numbers as possible, right? Got it. With a cost of goods of $13.08 per unit, your margins are excellent. Let's map out the path to 10,000. And they are, right? So guys, again, we sell one-of-one pods, and you guys definitely should check them out. Does everything that regular AirPods do, including the touchpad at the front, so that you could actually start to pair these with your devices. These are really, really well. But anyway, now it's going to give us some numbers. So it says your numbers at $13.08, sell price $30, gross profit. So it gives you a whole breakdown, and it also includes the eBay fees. And that's what I like about this, is it's allowing us to not only have a projection of what we want to sell it at, or give us an idea. It actually gives us a chart. Now, I like to break these charts down through tiers. And what we usually do is we're going to start with the $30 tier, right? So we'll sell it for $30. We will profit $16.92. The eBay fee will be $3.90. Shipping roughly is going to be around $4. I would say $5 to be honest, which means we will probably make a net of $8 to $9. It's not a lot of money, okay? You're not making or breaking the bank, but what you are doing when you are going on eBay and you're listing for $30, so AirPod Gen 4, what you are doing is you're beating your competition. Now, I like to tell people you never want to price an item too low, nor do you want to price it too high. But what we can see is that people are posting $39, $36, right? $67. But what I like is today, me recording this is June 15th. These sold today, $40. So we know that this tier right here seems to be the tier people are actually thriving in, which is our second one. Okay, so $40 for right now. We made $26.92. We have a $5.20 eBay fee with the $5 shipping. $17.72 will be our net. This is still something we can profit from, okay? Now, watch what it tells us again from the projections. You need to hit 565 units if you want to sell them at $40 each, make that $17.72 profit. Now, of course, guys, we can go to 50 and 60, but the reason I'm not doing it is because I want to focus on keeping our videos realistic. Now, yes, you can sell these for 50. You can sell them for 60. You can even sell them for 80. We've sold them for $85. But let's stay with the low projection, right? Moving 565 units per month, if we're trying to estimate that we're moving in a month, is going to be hard, right? But we could probably get this done within a 3-month time frame, right? So the sweet spot at $13.08. Pricing between 40 and 50 is likely your sweet spot. Okay, so now let's start with the listing. And the way we're gonna do this is we're not lying to Claude and acting like they're AirPods. No, these don't have any logos, and we were honest out the gate. Why? Because we wanna make sure this is as effective as possible. So what we did was, let me put the prompt on screen, is Convert the highest converting eBay, create the highest converting eBay listing possible for AirPods, high converting eBay listing, and then 4 premium wireless earbuds. Now, wireless Bluetooth earbuds. What I wanted to do is I put 2 prompts together. I put create the highest converting eBay listing possible for AirPods, because what I want this to know is that I want to compete with the AirPods, right? So here we go. It starts asking me questions. So what is the battery life? Now, what all of our pods are, if you don't know what yours, just hit not sure, but all of our pods are going to be up to 8 hours, okay? Now it's gonna ask any special features. Now, yes, as touch control, noise cancellation, water resistant, voice assistant compatible. White is gonna be the only color. And this is all of the things you wanna do to actually try to excel and build with your listing. Like, these are things that you want to try and orchestrate. This is a organized way of putting a listing together in a calculated manner to where you can tweak things but utilize a partner or some type of data on the back end, we think, right? And at the end or towards the end of this, we're going to actually see where Claude AI is getting this information from, because if we're creating this listing needs to be able to work, right? Well, we got to make sure that we're not just using some advice that isn't actually coming from any source. Let's actually take a look at what it's actually telling us, okay? So the title it's saying will be wireless Bluetooth earbuds with noise cancellation and touch control. 8 hours battery, white, new, okay? We're gonna copy this title, we're gonna put it on our eBay listing. Then it says $34.99. Then it tells you why. Price just below the $35 second. Now, I'm not going to, we're going to just stay on it. Where did this price come from? We'll talk about that in a second, okay? Now, the listing tax, so we're going to do free shipping, 30-day returns. We're going to do all of these, okay? So we're going to put all of this stuff on the listing, okay? Now, we're going to actually put the listing up. Continue without a match. We're going to do new. Boom. Then we're going to do all of the key features. So it tells you exactly what key features you want to put too. It also tells you we're going to do unbranded. It says color white. Okay. Connectivity, Bluetooth 5.0. Okay. Battery life, condition new, in ear. Okay. Some of these are already hit. $34.99. We'll list one just to start out. Now, it also gives us a checklist that we're going to actually want to use technically for our pictures. Both earbuds side by side on white background. Use earbuds inside charging case lid. Open, close, close up of touch control surface. Earbuds in air. Charging cable and accessories laid flat. Full box. So it gives you exactly what type of pictures you need. Then it says everything you need is right there. The title, description, item specifics, tags, and photo checklist. A few things worth noting. Your price at $34.99 keep you competitive while netting roughly $14 per unit after eBay fees and shipping, meaning you need about 714 sales to hit 10K. That's very achievable at volume. The single biggest conversion lever on eBay is your main photo. White background, both earbuds, sharp and centered listing with clean product. So it's basically saying our picture is really going to matter. Once you get your first 10 to 20 sales and reviews, eBay's algorithm will start servicing your listing more organically, which snowballs your volume fast. And that's why with your first 10 to 20 listings, you want to try and do some type of promotion. So I'm going to go ahead and take some of these pictures. I'm going to get back and then we'll talk about the promotion and see exactly if this listing will work. So now we have the pictures, okay? Pictures are uploaded and they are regular pictures. I wanted them to look organic, real. We don't have a fake box. We're not acting like they're anything that they're not, okay? And that is the key. Now what we're going to do is we could select some of these, which are just basically the regular suggested item specifics, and then move forward, okay? And we can then start to talk about promotions. You have general, you have priority. We always use general, and they're always going to suggest around 12%. We usually will start around 5%. But before we do any of that, let's hop back into Claude. Let's ask it a few questions. So before we wrap it up, we're going to ask a few questions. How long should it take to sell my first pair, right? Let's see what it's going to say now, right? And then I gotta ask, where did you get the data to list, or the data? I don't want to do it right there. Oh, no. How are you planning to drive first sale promotions? Where did you get the data for the listing? Oh, you helped me with eBay listings. 24 to 48 hours. Okay, so it's saying again, remember, set it to 5 to 10, like I've been saying. Okay, the first 5 sales are the hardest. Yes. Now, once you get 10, of course, they snowball. But let's see, did it actually get these results from other eBay listings, or is this something, I didn't pull a lot of eBay data, my training data. So this didn't even go and look at any eBay listings. It just went off of the training data, general knowledge of how high converting eBay listings are typically structured. And then it makes you search sold listings. It makes you search for the 5 sold listings and copy what their titles commonly are. Interesting. That's very interesting. And that brings me to this point, guys. And I'm going to test this listing, and I'm going to do a follow-up video where I tell you guys exactly if this was something that helped, if this was something that sold. But I'm going to tell you this. This is a common theory, common theme when it comes to Claude, AI, ChatGPT, Grok. ChatGPT does use real data though. That's the difference between this and Claude. But I feel as though this whole Claude AI phenomenon is a marketing campaign, or it's something where people are creating propaganda because they want clicks and views. I created propaganda in some type of way of creating this video because we asked this AI, how can we make 10,000? And it did not necessarily pull any type of data from any website. It just went off of what it thought. When we are trying to build our businesses, we have to be analytical. We have to go by metrics, and we can't go by what a system was programmed to think. And I want you guys to remember that, because the next time you try to create a listing, yes, you could use Claude AI, but don't forget to actually look for yourself at other listings, what's selling, what's not. And I'm going to continue to keep you guys updated. I'll do more videos showing you guys how I would prefer to list using Claude or even ChatGPT. I want to know, is this something you guys like for content? Please let me know below. If you made it this far, like the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I think it's clear to say Claude AI can help you make 10K, but it can't make the entire listing for you. That, honestly, as we see, is impossible. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.